Hey everyone, it's Lynnea, and today I'm taking part in a really fun blog hop for Time for Tea Designs. This is a new to me company, and this company has recently had their products stocked in Simon Says Stamp. And so a bunch of us designers that are US based, including myself, are hopping along to celebrate that you can now get Time for Tea design stamps and dies in the Simon Says Stamp shop. So just a reminder that this video is part of a blog hop. So as I create, I'll just kind of chat about the blog hop really quick. You're going to want to head over to my blog, and I will leave that link first in the video description. Leave a comment on my blog, and then hop around to all of the other blogs in the hop as well, leaving comments along the way, and you'll be entered in to win a gift card for $30 for Time for Tea Designs. I think that's a really fun prize, and this, like I said, this is a new to me stamp company, but their images, their stamps are absolutely adorable. So let's talk a little bit about the products that I'm using. I am using the Time for Tea Designs All Occasions Critters stamp set. I stamped out this cute little piggy and puppy, and I colored them with Copic markers. And now I'm going to go ahead and grab the coordinating All Occasions Critters die set, and I will die cut out the cute little pig and his little puppy friend, as well as a sentiment. I love that the die set has these little kind of rounded label type dies that are perfect for cutting out the sentiments. I'm also using the Sunray cover die, and I die cut this 3 times. Once from white, and then once from 2 different shades of blue cardstock, a light blue and a dark blue. My idea was to use this die and cut it from white and have that be the focal point of my card, but I really wanted to have some extra color peeking out. So I thought it would be really easy to die cut 2 more panels, one from blue and one from like a lighter blue or aqua color, and then just offset these panels a little bit, and that's going to give me a fun shadow effect. So I'm just starting with the white piece, which is going to be my main piece, and gluing that onto the dark blue piece, kind of offsetting and trimming away the excess, and then doing the same thing with the light blue piece. Now I wanted to have a white background, so I just grabbed a scrap piece of white cardstock and glued my nested dies onto that background. Now I'm just adding my little piggy and my dog from the All Occasions Critters stamp set right on top along with that sentiment, and that's going to complete this card. So once again, just remember that this video is part of a blog hop to celebrate Time for Tea Designs being available in the Simon Says Stamp shop. So you're going to want to head over to my blog, leave a comment there, and then hop around to all the other blogs in the hop for your chance to win a $30 gift card. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and I will see you soon. Bye!
Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.